everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dandelion and I'm so glad that you could join me. So today I'm going to be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial because the other one had some issues in terms of copyright issues, and I don't want that to be a problem in the future, so I just decided to re-upload and refilm sort of everything that I've done. And so yeah, it's just an updated brow tutorial, and I'm using a pencil and powder in this one. So yeah, and also I think, yeah, I filmed my eyeshadow look as well. Very simple look that is all sorts of drama. It's good for evening, going out to the club or whatever. But anyways, yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I achieve my eyebrows and this eyeshadow look, then keep on watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I'm going to moisturize my face using my moisturizer from the Body Shop, which is almost finished, and I'm just so sad about it because it's such a good moisturizer. And then I'm gonna go in with my Vita E skin oil because my skin has been so dry. So those are the products that have been like holding me down. And also this avocado butter that I got from a lady on Instagram, and it's just so good. My skin hasn't been feeling as dry as it has been since autumn, really, because my skin is dry. And so as soon as it starts getting cold or the weather changes, my skin is so dry. So I'm just moisturizing my face first, and then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girls Shady Slim brush in the shade warm brown. And I've been hyping this pencil up because it is so good. Like, it's the best pencil that I've used, and I've used the one from MAC in the color spiked, and it was good, but I mean, this is like bomb, and the price is bomb too because it's only 85 rand, and the one from MAC is like 200 and something, but you know, prices are mad steep there. So this pencil, if you're looking for natural looking brows and you're wanting something that's affordable, then I highly suggest the LA Girl Shady Slim brow pencil, because you do your brows almost all the time if you're going to work every day. This is value for money, unlike buying a brow pencil that's overly expensive and you use it quite frequently. So then, you know, I basically want to apologize for the glare on my face in this area. I didn't realize that my mirror was reflecting the sun into my face, so I do want to apologize about that. So I'm sorry. I'm first going to use my gel mascara from Essence just to sort of set my brows. I use this one often lately because I don't want to, I'm looking for something easy. I don't have time. I'm just setting our brows in place. But honestly, because I did have a brow tutorial on my channel and I used hairspray, that's the best method apart from soap. That's the best method to keep your brows like together and strong the whole day and in place, because you have hairspray. Chances are you do have hairspray, and it really does hold your brows in place. And so I'm going in with my pencil. It's really thin. Like, it's the best. And with this pencil, I'm just going as I did in my other brow tutorial, but I'm just drawing brow strokes and just filling it in where it's sparse. This pencil, I went for a color that's not too dark because I know myself, and it's just the perfect color. It's not too much. Like, if you saw me in person, you wouldn't say, whoa, her brows are so dark. So I'm just drawing brow strokes, and then towards the end I'm creating a shape. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm just going to clean up the bottom of my brows. I'm not really going to clean up the top at the moment, and don't use as much as I did. You don't need to use that much, because that's what makes your brows look unnatural, when you use too much concealer, and also an overly light concealer. So we're just cleaning up our brow. So now I'm going in with my MAC pencil that you guys know I love this pencil. Oh, okay. I love this pencil, and I'm going into these two shades right here, which is Ntombi and Tangi, and I'm just going to add dimension into my brow so that it doesn't look too one-dimensional, and we're just making it like 3D. And we want to make it look 3D, and with this we're just doing strokes into the brow so that we don't make it too unnatural. So we're just drawing strokes into the brow like so. And then I'm going into Bella, which is the black, ever so lightly. I'm going to take that and just draw some strokes so it can make it look like, hey. And please stop using black. Just don't do it. Stop using black eye pencils or really dark eye pencils to draw your brows. It doesn't look good at all. It doesn't flatter your face. It does nothing for you. It just makes it look odd. Like, just stop. Don't do it, please. I'm begging. Don't do it. Just if you're not really dark skinned, you don't need your eyebrows to be that dark. Just go with your skin tone and go as close as you possibly can to your actual brow hairs, and look at the undertone when you're picking your brow pencil or your pomade, or even your brow powder, even your brow gel. Just don't do it. If you take anything from this video, is that you don't need to go really overly dark on your eyebrows. It doesn't look good. It does nothing for your face. Just don't do it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my spoolie. So today I'm going for a very simple eye makeup look, and I feel like I always do simple eye makeup looks, but that's just me. I'm always doing simple eye makeup looks. Let's start off with Zola, and I'm going in with a big medium size packing brush, and I've already primed my lids, and I'm just going to pack that on around my crease. Okay, she's looking very pigmented. I'm going to use Chelsea right here, and with Chelsea I'm going to just blend it out on the edges so that it's not too dark. My eye isn't overly dark, so just blending that out and bringing it forward towards the front of our brow, and sort of connecting it to the bridge of our nose where we're going to contour later on. So just like that. And so now I'm going to use a slightly smaller, I don't know if you guys can see that, a slightly smaller packing brush, and I'm going to go into Tandy. Today I'm not going to waste your time. I really don't want to waste your time and do like 100 and thousands of steps, because I didn't plan to do 100 and thousands of steps. So I'm just going to pack that on to my lid. Pack it on, sis. And we're just bringing it up until our crease, because we don't want to lose that color, that our transition shade. We don't want to lose that shade, so we're just packing it on. So I've finished blending it out, and now I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer. As you can see, it's very simple, very like smoky sort of. So now I'm gonna go into Carabo right here, which is like a brown sort of is it satin? I don't know. And I've already dampened my brush with a little setting spray, and I'm just gonna pick some up on my brush, and I'm just going to pack that on all over my lid. I'm gonna go back into that fluffy brush and go into Utandi, and we're just going to place this on the outer to sort of just not lose the dark brown that we've added, and just blend it out. Very simple, very easy. Then some mascara. I'm not adding lashes today, although lashes would take this look to the next level. It would take it far, but I'm not going anywhere, so I don't feel like wearing lashes. I'm just adding mascara. So now that I've done the rest of my face, and I'm just like enjoying it a lot. It looks really good. I didn't think it would look really good because I was feeling very lazy to do my makeup. So I'm just gonna go in with those colors that I used on the top, and I'm first gonna start off with Uzola, and I'm just going to smoke it out on the bottom, and then I'm gonna go in, well, I'm gonna smoke it out with this fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna go in with the smaller flat shading, this flat packing brush, and I'm gonna go in with Utandi just to smoke it out some more. So I'm basically just gonna speed this part up because we're just applying shadow on our lower lash line. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. We're at 57 subscribers if I'm not mistaken, and I'm just so happy about that. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. You know, show me that you like this video so I can know what type of content to put out for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next one.